Hello everyone, I'm Yana Smakula. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a slightly different video to share with you. It's a packing video. So I'm leaving to go on a trip to the Netherlands. It's a work trip. I will be demoing a BetterPress system at one of the local shops this Friday and Saturday. You can see the information on the screen right now. And if you are in the area, I would love for you to come and say hello, join me, learn all things BetterPress. But if you're not in the area and, if you missed me, because it's been a while since I've done a video, I have been very busy with my apartment renovations and also with planning a trip and just life. I figured I would share this video with you and show you what craft supplies I'm taking with me on this trip to demo. I love to pack craft supplies. In fact, I kind of have like a dedicated suitcase for that because I do travel often with my craft supplies. I travel at least once a year to Frankfurt to the show that Spellbinders attends, and I'm usually taking my supplies with me. So let me show you. Let's go ahead and open this suitcase and start packing. So first of all, I have my folders with my products. I will be demoing BetterPress, so I have a lot of the BetterPress plates with me. So these are from my Let's Celebrate collection that released in March 2024. I also have these products from my Yana's Poppies. So I have the poppy plate, the stencils, and then the poppy die. Let's put it in like this. And I'm also taking my upcoming Amaryllis Christmas collection products with me. I have the embossing folder. I have a BetterPress plate in here. You can't really see it. There's a stencil to stencil it. And then there's an Amaryllis die. So I'm kind of excited to test those and play with those over the weekend. Next, I, of course, have my Spellbinders apron with me. I love to wear my apron. I just need to iron it before I pack it, make sure it's nice and pretty for the demo. Whoops, that's the wrong side. Here we go. I love to wear aprons because aprons have pockets, and whenever I craft, I need to have pockets because first of all, I need to put my phone inside the pockets, and then I like to have some other tools in the other pocket as well. Next, I'm of course taking paper with me. This is BetterPress paper, and I have it in 3 colors. So I have porcelain, bisque, and the gray one is pebble. I have already pre-cut a few panels to 4¼ by 5½ inches, as this is the size that I like to work with. This paper is actually sold in this size, but the paper that I have in my stash is all larger. It's letter size sheets. So I'll just need to pre-cut some panels because I don't want to take all of this with me, but this is the paper that I'm taking on this trip and the paper that I'll be using to do my demo. Finished cutting my paper, and I'm going to package this in the Spellbinders craft stacks because I don't want the corners to get damaged in my suitcase, and the craft stacks should protect the paper from damage. So let's see. Okay, I can fit quite a lot in each. Not sure how many sheets, but quite a lot. Maybe that's too much for this one. Take a few sheets out and done. So there we go. We have our paper inside. Next, I have a storage tin with the BetterPress inks reinkers. So I have all of the colors in here. This tin is very convenient. It's the alcohol ink storage tin from Ranger, but I love it because it holds all of my BetterPress reinkers nicely. It's very convenient. I also have my BetterPress inks in these archival ink storage tins from Ranger. Love those. So I have all the colors here, plus the 4 new colors that just released: Laurel, Pine, Rustic, and Spruce. I've not used those. I just received those the other day. So these are coming with me to the Netherlands, and I will demo them during my weekend. Next, I have my BetterPress black ink pad, the full size, because I like to use it a lot, especially if I'm doing large backgrounds like this one. Let me just quickly find it. So like this one, the large BetterPress ink pad is super convenient for that. And I also have my DIY inkball ink pad from Spellbinders. This works really well with the reinkers because you can create your own custom ink pad or your own custom blend like I did on these cards here. So that's really cool. I do have a few other like blank, because this one is already inked. I have a few blank ink pads, but I can't find them. So I'm only taking this one. Let me put this back in the zipper bag because I don't want this ink, I don't want to have any accidents in my suitcase. Next, I have my best ever craft tape in all the sizes. I am running low on the original size, but I am taking my other sizes with me just in case. Of course, I have my Spellbinders scissors. I will be needing those to cut my paper, to cut my foil, and, you know, just cut other things. I also have my blending brushes, and I'm not liking how I packed those, so I brought this little pouch. This is actually from Jane Davenport and Spellbinders from years ago. Unfortunately, it's no longer available, but I still have it and I love it because it's so colorful. And I'm just going to move these brushes, these blending brushes. I am taking blending brushes with me because I do have some BetterPress plates that come with stencils, and I will be doing some stenciling. So I definitely need blending brushes for that. So let's see if these fit and if I can close it. Yes, this is perfect. Next, I'm taking a couple of foil colors. I picked my favorites. So this is Opal clear foil. This is matte black. I also have this matte teal, matte gold, and then the regular gold foil colors, because I love those. And these also work great whenever I use them, so I never have any problems with these colors. So this is my foil. Let's think, what else do I need? Oh, I'll probably need some markers with me. So let me go ahead and grab those. Okay, I am back. So I grabbed another zipper pouch for my Olo markers. I think I'll take those with me. I don't like to travel with my Copics, so I usually travel with Olos. I'm just going to take all the colors that I have. I don't have a full set, but this should be plenty for any coloring that I want to do on the go. Let's see if they fit in here. Hopefully they will. If not, I might need to leave a few colors behind. Let's see. Nope, they fit perfectly. Yay. Okay, so my markers are packed. I also have these large blending brushes from Spellbinders. I do want to take those, although they are very large, and I just need to find a little container to pack them in. I remembered I also have some cards that I want to take with me. Let me move this up away. And I'm going to pack these in the large craft stacks so that I can fit all that I want to take. I do have them in clear baggies just in case, but I also want to protect the corners of my cards, and the craft stack size is just perfect for my cards. These are all A2, by the way. I also have some panels that I made previously, and I'm just going to put those in here as well. Let's see if I can close it. Not quite. So let's separate this. Try again. Okay, I think this is good. Not perfect, but good enough. This is it. I'm all packed for my trip. I will be leaving tomorrow, and I hope to see you there. If you are not able to join me in the Netherlands, I'm sure I'll be posting things online, maybe some shorts to YouTube and lots of Instagram stories. Thanks so much for joining me today. Love you guys, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.